If you trade options and hold them till expiry, this video might just save you from a disaster. Most option traders think expiry is when profits are guaranteed. In reality, expiry is when risk explodes silently because of something called gamma risk. And today, I'll show you a simple formula you can use every single day to decide whether to hold, exit, or roll your options. You're told this everywhere. Theta decay accelerates near expiry, so holding till expiry is the best. This statement is only half true and half dangerous. Yes, theta increases, but gamma increases faster. And gamma doesn't care about your stop loss, your experience, or your P&L yesterday. Gamma risk means this. As expiry approaches, small moves in the underlying cause massive changes in delta, which means your position can go from safe to deadly in minutes. A 0.5% move can wipe out days or weeks of premium. Overnight gaps become lethal. This is why experienced traders fear the last few days before expiry. Institutions don't ask how much premium is left. They ask how much am I risking today for that remaining premium. That question alone separates gamblers from professionals. So here's the core value of this video. Every day, ask yourself this one question. Remaining premium divided by expected 1-day adverse move. Step 1. Remaining premium. Whatever premium is still left in your option. For example, you sold an option for 100. Current price is 35. The remaining premium is 35. Step 2. Expected 1-day adverse move. Use expected move. I have a video separately on expected move, links to which are in the description. A simpler, or rather a more practical version would be, look at the 1-day ATR or previous day's move. For example, expected adverse move is 80. Now apply the formula 35 divided by 80, that gives you 0.43. Above 1, you can hold. Between 0.5 and 1, that's the warning zone. Below 0.5, exit or roll immediately. If you're risking 80 to earn 35, you're no longer trading, you're just hoping. When you're closer to the expiry, delta reacts faster, hedging becomes impossible, stops slip, and gaps destroy logic. This formula forces discipline when emotions are at their strongest. A lot of people are scared of rolling. Rolling is not fear. Rolling is capital efficiency. Roll when risk reward drops below 0.5, or when gamma spikes, or when the underlying volatility expands. Understand one thing, you're not exiting because you're wrong. You're exiting because the math turned against you. Professional options traders don't die by expiry. They survive by respecting gamma. If you want more real risk-based option strategies, subscribe to Traders Cafe. And if you want one-to-one mentoring, check the pinned comment below.